Hello guys, welcome to PTK. And today in today's session we're going to discuss about agenda. So and let's discuss some points about agenda. So what is Python? Why Python? Features of Python. Where is Python used in industry? Let's discuss the first point. What is Python? Python is a general purpose, high level interpreted language with easy syntax, dynamic semantic. Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. So, this is Guido van Rossum. He was born at 31 January 1956. Born and raised in Netherlands. He is a member of the Python Steering Council. He lives in Belmont, California with his family. Now, let's discuss the second point. That's why Python. Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. Python is a cross-platform programming language, which means it can run on multiple platforms like Windows, Linux, MacOS, and has even been ported to Java and .NET virtual machines. This is free and open source. Python runs on an interpreter system. Interpreter system meaning that code can be executed as soon it is written. This means that prototyping can be very quick. Python can be treated in a procedural way, object-oriented way, or a functional way. Features of Python programming language. Let's discuss free and open source. Python is free to download and use. This means you can download it for free and use it on your application. Python is a FLOSS, free libre open source software, which means you can freely distribute copies of this software and read its source code and modify it. Easy to learn. Learning Python is easy as this is an expressive and high-level programming language, which means it is easy to understand the language and thus easy to learn. Readable. Python is very readable and language and has a simple syntax similar to the English language. Now, exception handling. An exception is an event that can occur during a program. Exception can disrupt the normal flow of program. Python supports exception handling, which means we can write less error-prone code and thus can test various scenery and that can cause an exception later on. Now, large standard library. Large standard library. Python comes with a large standard library that has some handy codes and functions which we can use while writing code in Python. Memory management. Python supports automatic memory management, which means the memory is cleared and freed automatically. You do not have to bother clearing the memory. Cross-platform and portability. Python is a cross-platform programming language, which means it can run on multiple platforms like Windows, MacOS, Linux, and has even been ported to Java and .NET virtual machines. Support. Python community is vast, diverse and aims to grow. Great software is supported by great people and Python is no exception. Our base is enthusiastic and dedicated to spreading use of this language far and wide. Our community can help support the beginner, the expert and adds to the ever-increasing open source knowledge base. Now let's discuss where is Python used in industry. It is used in web development, software development, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, testing to handle big data and complex mathematics and scripting and so on.